Hey everyone, as I'm recording this video, our channel is about to hit 3,000 subscribers. That is a huge number. I'm super proud of our community, and to celebrate, I'm gonna go ahead and give away 2 t-shirts and 2 sticker packs down in the comments below. All you have to do to get entered is leave a comment. Be sure to like this video so that all of our subscribers can see it, and also, obviously, be sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Now, earlier in the year, I set a goal for myself to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and we have just about 3.5 months left. I've been posting 3 times a week for the past almost year now, just consistently trying to pump out content, informational, educational videos, some entertainment, build series, explainer videos, all sorts of different content to help you guys get the most value out of this channel. And I really appreciate your support, like I said, because it's helped me keep going and just keep pushing myself harder to get this content looking better. I've upgraded my equipment, I've upgraded the cars that we have in the garage, and everything that I do is just to create better content for you guys and to help this channel go all the way to the top. Now, to hit 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna have to really take it to the next level, and I'm gonna need your help because there's only so much that I can do with the content because it's so hard to get discovered on YouTube. You really have to have something else going for you. Maybe you go viral on TikTok, maybe you collab with someone else, maybe you have a different business that helps bring in viewers to the channel. But no matter what, it is really important to me that we hit that 10,000 subscriber number because it would just mean the success of our channel and that I'm doing the right thing for you guys. So what can you do right now to help our channel? Well, you could go ahead and make sure that you're liking every single video that we're posting. Drop a comment as often as you can, and if it's not asking too much, you can always share our videos on your favorite forums or Facebook groups. If you think that they provided value to you, then they might also provide value to the other people in your community. Now, what are some things that I can do to help this channel go to the next level? Well, I would love to hear that feedback from you guys as well. So be sure when you're commenting down below to think of ideas, what we can do. Some things that came to mind for me was maybe we can do some like parody videos where we copy other YouTubers and try to make a fun game out of it. I don't want to offend anyone or make fun of anyone. I just really want to maybe pick apart someone else's style, and that way you guys might get a laugh out of it. We could also try going viral by, I don't know, whistling Diesel this channel and like throwing a car off of jack stands or driving it off of a bridge. I really don't want to do that, so please do not recommend that I do that. But there's just so many different ways, and I'm always trying to come up with ideas. I'm brainstorming, I've got whiteboards, I talk to different people to get more ideas about what we can do on the channel, and I'm always trying to make the content as good as possible. We do have a new build coming to the channel, which I'm super excited for. It is in ratty condition. It's actually outside behind the garage right now, but I think that's gonna bring a lot of viewers, new viewers, and old viewers to the channel, and I'm really hoping it drives the engagement, and that way it'll help escalate the rate at which we're getting subscribers. I think it's gonna work out, but who knows? Besides that, we also have to sell a couple of cars. Yeah, I've been really good at buying cars lately, but pretty bad at selling them. So the E46 wagon, it's gonna go up for sale really soon. I just fixed the window actually today. There's still like a DMTL fault. I'm thinking it might be like a fuel pump seal for the gas tank. I'm really hoping that's what it is because both of those things look original, but we're gonna sell this thing on either Cars and Bids or bring a trailer. And same thing with the E39 528i that we've been working on as well. I think both of those websites are great auction marketplaces to help get viewers, help get eyes, and get these cars to whatever value they're actually worth. I think that's the best way to get the top dollar, but the most accurate dollar for these cars. I'm currently not monetized. I'm not making any money from YouTube. I don't have any ads running that I know of on the channel. If there are, please let me know down below because I don't have anything running. So I'm not really gaining a lot of income from YouTube. This is just my way of sharing my journey with you guys, and I would love to keep it non-monetized if we can continue to grow, and as long as the cars continue to pay for themselves, I'd be so happy to keep this channel ad-free. So really, if this channel continues to grow like this, I promise I'll keep it non-monetized, but if I have to claim some extra income, I might change my mind. You could always help us out on the Patreon. I have a link to that down in the description below. All of our supporters there get access to behind the scenes content, extra content. You know, you get to see what we're doing ahead of time, and it's just another way of engaging more personally on a one-on-one basis between me and you guys. I also have a store where we sell these t-shirts, some merchandise, a couple of mugs and stuff like that. If you want to support the channel, that's a great way to directly support as well as rep the brand. It's just another way that I thought that we could help bring in some income, and that way we could stay away from being monetized. So go ahead and check out the store down below and you might find something that you like. As I said though, I am super appreciative of everything that you guys have done, the comments, the likes, the messages, the emails that you guys send me. I'm trying my best to answer every single comment as best as possible, and as the channel continues to grow, I hope that I can continue to engage with you guys so personally in the comments down below. So let's keep that going. I want to make this my full-time job, and I've kind of already dedicated myself to doing that. Earlier this year, I did quit working full-time at the shop that I was at, Flat 6 Motorsports. Now I only help out there on some days during the week, during the month, maybe a few days here and there, just to get some extra cash. And it's a way of me just kind of spreading myself out so that I'm not just relying on income from one source, and that source being these cars that I have to sell. So I would like to focus more on this channel. Maybe in the future we can go from 3 uploads a week to maybe 4 uploads a week, but I want to make sure that the content stays as high quality and as informative and educational and valuable as possible. So if you guys have any feedback on that, I'd love to hear it as well. But before I can go full time, like I said, we have a lot more growing to do. So help us please hit that 10,000 subscriber number. It would mean so much to me, and I would love, just love to hit that number before the end of the year. And hopefully we can continue to grow at this rate. And I want to be the best BMW build channel on YouTube out of all of them. That's all I want to do, is build BMWs, and build BMWs. So please help me out. Leave a comment down below what you think I can do to help take this channel to the next level and get a ton more viewers in. You could also share one of your favorite videos of mine with a friend and maybe see if they want to subscribe to the channel, or you know what, just take their phone and hit that little red button. They would never notice. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you clicking on this video and watching. I know that I don't want to make a ton of videos like this just begging for your help, but I could really use just a little bit of help right now, and I would so much appreciate it. I hope everyone has an awesome day. They're having an awesome week. I hope all of you have no check engine lights on your BMWs and they're all reliable and they don't cost you money, but sometimes they do. And I hope that when you need a little bit of help that you turn to our channel and, you know, maybe send me a message or ask someone in the comments down below if you need help about something, and I'm sure someone is going to help you. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys didn't mind this little weird thing right here, but anyways, I just want to make sure that you guys understand where I'm at on the channel and where we want to go soon. So go ahead and make sure you leave a comment and a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and I hope everyone has an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.